welcome. Today we're going to be using Forno de Pizza by HPC Fire Inspired. Let's take a look. Inside of here we have boiling water. So what we're going to do is we have some awesome potatoes. We're going to be throwing that in the water to make some mashed potato. And then we have the shrimp on rosemary kebabs, and we're going to use some garlic and herbs with that. And this delicious, it's going to be incredible, bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts with a little bit of honey and a little bit of balsamic glaze. All right, welcome back. Let's check the potatoes. They've been there for about 20 minutes or so. And as you can see, check this out. Come and take a look. The temperature is probably about 550 degrees in there. So it's been boiling. That water's been boiling for quite some time. So we're gonna pull this out. Oh yeah, that looks good. Take a look at the potatoes. Look at that, that looks beautiful. Now, do a little poke test. Oh yeah, definitely, potatoes are done. All right, here we go. We're gonna be putting in the bacon wrapped Brussels sprouts in the oven. So we just took off the potatoes to do the mashed potatoes. So right now, we're gonna grab these here. We're gonna open up and we're gonna take a look. See how this is doing over there. Oh yeah, it's gonna be nice and warm. Let's pull this back. We're gonna throw these little guys right in there. Okay, let's take a look. The Brussels sprouts are in there. And they look awesome. Oh yeah. Very, very good. We're gonna take these out and we're gonna let them rest. So the mashed potatoes are done, the Brussels sprouts are done, the shrimp goes in next. The shrimp should be done. Let's take a look. Oh yeah. They look delicious. Let's see. Oh, it smells incredible. All right. Okay, we're gonna let those rest for a little bit. We're ready to eat all this delicious food. We're gonna put this on a plate here. We got our Brussels sprouts wrapped in bacon. We got our delicious rosemary, garlic, and herb shrimp kebab. And our mashed potato made in the oven with lots of butter, lots of garlic and chives. Delicious. The flavor, you can taste a little bit of the wood flavor in the potatoes. Incredible. A little bit of the garlic sprouts. Bacon and Brussels sprouts. Awesome. Save the best for last. shrimp kebab on a rosemary stem. 2 minutes in the oven. Oh my God. You can taste the rosemary that's been infused right in the shrimp. Incredible. Delicious.